McMonagle here for Contract Global Sourcing. Today I want to discuss the CGS full extension 6-way adjustable soft close undermount drawer slide. It's a full extension slide, completely out. When I say completely, the back of the drawer comes out flush with the front of the cabinet. That way you have a true full extension. It has a continuous action soft close. I also then want to discuss the different front brackets that we have for this undermount drawer slide, as well as a template as far as the pre-drill. I then want to discuss the rear brackets that we have because I'm going to show a full extension version for the face frame cabinet, but this version can also be used on a frameless cabinet. I'm then going to show you the drawer slides itself, and then just to give you some information about why this drawer slide is a strong drawer slide, I'll show you the component pieces and why it gives it its strength. I'm then going to show two different construction methods, 1/2-inch material and 5/8 material. I'm also going to then actually install this into a face frame cabinet. So take a look at this. I'll show you the front brackets. We have three different versions available of front brackets. We have the 2-way adjustable, the 6-way adjustable that gets packaged with the distribution pack of the undermount drawer slides, and then we have the vertical mount where if you want to vertically mount it into the subfront, and I'll show you that later. We've also got a template which allows you to pilot drill for your front brackets, and basically all it is it's the metal plate that's on the bottom of a bracket that you just take off and use that then as your pilot hole drilling. You just drill on your angle here and here, and that takes care of drilling inside the drawer face, and I'll show you that when I get to the installation of the brackets onto the drawer box. Now let me just show you the two components. Here's your two drawer slides, your left and right, but I wanted to show you the major components of it. You've got your cabinet member here with your roller carriage. You've got your intermediate member here with the ball bearings on the side and a roller bearings on the top of the intermediate member. You've also got then your drawer member. Now let me show you installation of the front brackets onto the drawer box itself, and then we'll ultimately go and do the installation into a face frame cabinet. Okay, before I get to mounting my front brackets, what I first want to do is teach you how to size for the drawer. What you're going to do is take the opening of your cabinet, and if you use them with 5/8 material drawer thickness, it's going to be opening minus 3/8 of an inch creates the outside dimension of your drawer. If I'm working with 1/2-inch material, it's going to be opening minus 5/8 of an inch. So this 1/2-inch material is opening minus 5/8 of an inch. The next thing you're going to need to do is make sure you notch for the back and drill for the pin location. So let me show you that. Notching location. Now here shows you the notching location. This is the illustration of the back of the drawer and the notching on either side, as well as the pin location for the drawer slide to engage. You can take a look here and you can see the width of the opening is minimum 30 millimeter. You also have for the pin location at 7 millimeter over from the edge to the center of the hole, also 11 millimeter from the bottom of the cut to the center of the hole, and then the size of the dimension of the drill bit is 6 millimeter with a 10 millimeter drilling recess. That takes care of where the pin location is going to be on the back of the undermount drawer slide. Now what we want to do is pre-drill for the front brackets. Here's your front bracket that we're going to be using on this. It's the 6-way adjustable front bracket. Now for the drill template, what it basically is the bottom half of a regular bracket. Now the brackets, while they're handed, this portion of the bracket is not. So when I want to pre-drill, I can bring it in here, go over, pilot drill, here and here, bring it over to this side, and then drill. And then I can go ahead and mount my brackets. Now, This is the 5/8 material. If I'm going to be drilling for the 1/2 inch material, let me show you how to mount that. Okay, now the vertical mount brackets. Well, I'm using the vertical mount brackets for this particular on the 1/2 inch material because it's needed. If I wanted to use these on the 5/8 material, you can. This basically flushes up with the front of the material, and I can just vertically mount it. But now on the 1/2 inch material, the reason you need it for the 1/2 inch material is the drawer slides are designed for 16mm material or less. But what you need to do is space your front bracket back that 1/8 of an inch difference between the 1/2 inch and the 5/8. In doing that, when I mount this bracket, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to flush it up with the front of the material. I'm going to take my Vicks bit and pilot drill my holes, and then I'm going to mount it vertically into the drawer box itself. Square it up. Let me show you what I'm doing. There's a space in between the back of the drawer material front and the metal bracket itself. That's the 1/8 of an inch difference between 16mm or 5/8 material and 1/2 inch material. Now we're going to take it over. We're going to mount the cabinet members into the cabinet and install the drawer. Now locating the rear metal brackets for the face frame application. You're going to see here on the technical drawing where from the edge of the front frame, that would be here or here, to the dead center of the bracket itself is 9/16 of an inch from there to here to the center of the bracket. So this is centered at 9/16 of an inch over from where the front frame right here would be. You also then want to make sure that this bottom portion of the bracket is level with the front portion here. That keeps your drawer slides level during the operation. Okay, now to install the drawer cabinet members. What you're basically going to do is slide it in here and slide it into the bracket. Now to position it, the position of the drawer slide is you take the drawer material that you have in the front for the front frame, and it's 10mm from the front edge is where you position these holes in order to screw into the front frame. 10mm is basically taking a 3/4 inch front frame material, dividing it in half for the 10mm. I'm now going to mount a screw into here to mount the left-hand member. And then I'm going to add the right-hand cabinet member. Put it in. Screw in. And then I'm going to install the drawer. Now I don't have a drawer front on here, but what this does is it just shows you how it snaps into position. It locks in. Now the front brackets are locked into position. They're engaged in the back, and it does the continuous action soft close. The CGS undermount is a good undermount. It's going to last you many, many years. We have a lifetime warranty on the application of the drawer slides. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me, John McMonagle, a call at Comtrade Global Sourcing. Thank you.